The importance of preserving ancient seeds. Ancient seeds, which have been preserved for centuries, hold critical significance for the future of agriculture, biodiversity, and food security. These seeds, often from heirloom varieties or wild plants, carry genetic traits that may be vital in ensuring the resilience of crops in the face of climate change, pests, and disease. Preserving them can help safeguard genetic diversity and prevent the loss of valuable plant species. Preserving genetic diversity for future generations. One of the primary reasons for preserving ancient seeds is to maintain genetic diversity. Ancient varieties often contain unique genes that provide resistance to diseases, pests, and changing environmental conditions. These traits can be crucial in developing new, more resilient crops that can adapt to future challenges such as droughts or new pests, which may threaten modern crops. Ensuring global food security. As the global population continues to grow, food security becomes increasingly important. By preserving ancient seeds, we maintain access to a diverse range of plant species that can serve as a backup in case contemporary crops fail or are unable to meet the demands of the future. These seeds can serve as a foundation for breeding new varieties with better nutritional profiles and environmental resilience. Potential solutions for climate change. Climate change is altering growing conditions for many crops. Ancient seeds, particularly those from plants that have adapted to harsh or changing climates, may offer valuable solutions. Their hardiness in drought-prone or arid areas, for example, can help develop crops that thrive in regions suffering from increased temperatures and unpredictable rainfall patterns. Reviving extinct or endangered varieties. Over time, many traditional and indigenous plant species have disappeared due to industrial agriculture and monocropping practices. Preserving ancient seeds allows us to revive these species and reintroduce them into modern agriculture. This helps to preserve cultural heritage and the diverse food sources that different civilizations once relied upon, contributing to a richer, more sustainable food system. Seed banks as safeguards for the future. Seed banks play a pivotal role in preserving ancient seeds. Institutions like the Svalbard Global Seed Vault in Norway store millions of seeds from all over the world in secure conditions to protect them from disasters like war, climate change, or economic collapse. These seed banks act as a safety net, ensuring that ancient and endangered seeds are available for future generations to use in times of need. Promoting sustainable agricultural practices. Ancient seeds are often associated with traditional farming methods that prioritize sustainability over high-output, industrial agriculture. By preserving these seeds, we can promote farming practices that respect the environment, encourage crop rotation, and reduce dependency on synthetic fertilizers and pesticides. This approach not only supports biodiversity but also helps in maintaining soil health and ecosystem balance. Encouraging biodiversity in modern agriculture. Incorporating ancient seeds into modern farming systems can encourage biodiversity in agricultural landscapes. Unlike monocrops, which are vulnerable to disease and pests, biodiverse crops have natural resistance to such threats. By diversifying crop systems with ancient varieties, farmers can reduce risks and enhance the sustainability of their farming practices. Cultural and historical preservation. Ancient seeds are also valuable for their cultural and historical significance. Many of these seeds have been passed down through generations, representing the agricultural knowledge and traditions of ancient civilizations. By preserving these seeds, we honor the history of agriculture and maintain connections to cultural heritage that might otherwise be lost. Collaboration for global preservation efforts. The preservation of ancient seeds is a global endeavor that requires cooperation between governments, scientists, farmers, and conservationists. By working together, we can develop strategies for seed conservation, educate communities on the importance of biodiversity, and ensure that ancient seeds are safeguarded for future generations. Collaborative efforts will strengthen global food systems and promote resilience in the face of emerging challenges. The future of ancient seed preservation. As technology and our understanding of genetics continue to evolve, preserving ancient seeds will likely become even more significant. Innovations in gene editing, sustainable farming, and seed banking will enhance our ability to safeguard these vital resources. The preservation of ancient seeds not only protects biodiversity but also provides invaluable tools for future generations to create a more resilient and sustainable food system.